Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the form requirements: exact pixel size, DPI, file format, and max KB, because resizing later can break compression. Open the original high-resolution photo in your image editor on the laptop, then immediately save a duplicate. This keeps the untouched master if you need to revert. Once done, inspect lighting and background quickly. These determine the first edits. Make small exposure or color tweaks now, because fixing tone early reduces quality loss when you crop or resize later. Now you crop to the exact aspect ratio using the editor's fixed ratio tool. This ensures the form accepts dimensions without extra scaling. After cropping, fine-tune exposure, contrast, and white balance. Correct tones first, then remove small blemishes with a spot heal or clone tool so edits blend naturally. Make sure the head occupies the required percentage of the frame and that eyes sit on the horizontal guide. If needed, use small rotation to level the image, because alignment fails automatic checks more than color does. Finish by resizing the edited file to the exact pixel dimensions and DPI the application requires. Use a bicubic sharper or equivalent resampling method for reductions so edges stay crisp. Export to the mandated file type and set compression to meet the size limit while preserving face detail. Check the final KB. Once exported, preview at 100% and test the upload to the application. If something rejects, reopen the editable file, re-export with slightly different quality settings. Tip: if upload fails, clear browser cache or try a different browser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.